Health insurance in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Anything that has to do with insurance is not always easy to understand at first glance. This is just to be expected, since when you are dealing with what insurance is dealing with, you have to cover everything. This is why an insurance policy needs to be understood and clarified so that you will know what is and what is not covered. Although insurance policies vary depending on the company offering them, there are several things that you have to be aware of. These things are the ones you need to check for in a health insurance policy before you buy one. If you want to be fully covered and be sure that you will be paying for something that will be of benefit to you in the future. Generally, a good health insurance has several coverage, one of which is hospital expense coverage. This should include your boardroom and incidental costs in case you are hospitalized. If you are planning to get a medical insurance, it is recommended that you check for this coverage. A good insurance will also cover surgical expenses in case you need an operation. This coverage should be able to pay for surgeon's fee and other expenses related to the operation performed. If your health insurance has a physician's expense coverage, check if it includes fees for visits to the doctor's office or for doctor's visit if you are hospitalized. If it has laboratory expense coverage, the insurance policy should clearly state that it covers lab services like X-rays and others. Since a health insurance plan offered by a company is not always the same with the ones offered by a different outfit, it is strongly recommended that you compare plans before settling on one. One of the best ways to see which policy is better is to check for extra coverage. Some of these extra services will come handy in the future. Some extra things thrown into the mix by medical insurance companies include coverage for prescription drugs. It is also a good extra if the policy is offering preventive care coverage. Prevention, after all, is better than cure, and such coverage will no doubt help you a lot. Vision and dental coverage are also great additions to any health insurance plan. There are usually two ways to get a health insurance plan. One is as a part of a group like those given to workers by the companies they are working for. The other way is to purchase an individual health insurance. If you choose the latter, you would be able to customize the plan to suit your budget and your foreseeable need. In some cases, you can even choose your healthcare provider, which is better than having the insurance company pick it for you. No matter which way you choose to get your health insurance, make sure that you understand what you are buying. After all, this is what you do for anything that you are going to spend a whole lot of money on.